That was weird. It just the app just kind of the camera just kind of closed on its own. Not sure what that means. If you do, let us know in the comment section below. Also, and in the comment section, also while you're down there, tell us what you want to see us do with Mountain Dew next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're just gonna show you this one thing. Show you this one creation. This one being cooked. All right. Okay. No, don't. You know what? No. Just no.
Holy shit. Okay, the cheese is probably done.
Probably.
Holy shit. That looks really good. We should probably take it out now.
Wait, no, please, don't take it out yet. Alright. Move it off to the side, though. Set it off to the side. Now, we add a bit of Mountain Dew. Alright, that's probably too much as it is. Now we hurry up, take it, and flip. Alright, now we got the Mountain Dew.
Look at that.
Look at the difference.
That's cheese. It burned through.
Alright.
It's gonna be actually kind of a success, I think.
I think, honestly, what I think we'll do is we'll just make a normal grilled cheese, and we'll each get half of this and half of the normal grilled cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna see like comparison. Like.
Yeah, we can also do comparison. So we'll show you the comparison. All right, so we're gonna cut here. Yeah. All right, cool.
Oh shit!
Well, that looks
delicious.
Decent. Let's make it the better one. An actual grilled cheese, not Mountain Dew. Alright? Set this up to the side. And we'll see you. We'll see you when we're comparing out there. Okay? Bye. See you soon.